stained glass window dedicated to Saint Elizabeth of Hungary, you will see that there are some roses. The story of the window is that she was miraculously saved from death. On being accused of carrying forbidden bread from the castle to the poor, she opened her cloak to reveal not bread, but roses. Elizabeth lived from 1207 to 1231 and was a princess of Hungary who married the Landgrave of Thuringia, Louis IV. With Louis and their 3 children, she enjoyed a happy family life, generously befriending and serving the poor around her. However, in 1227, Louis died of plague in a crusade, and she was driven from the court by her brother-in-law. She became an early Franciscan, caring for the sick and poor, especially lepers, but was persecuted by a domineering confessor, Conrad. She carried out menial tasks of spinning, carding, cleaning and fishing to help the poor, especially children and orphans, and she nursed in a hospital that she herself had endowed. She died at the age of 24. In the Virgin Mary and Child window, note the delicate flower decorations on Mary's robe, and in the background, some of which are symbolic of her, such as the lily, the rose, and the lily of the valley.